So hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install Google Cam in Galaxy A05 device. So first of all, just go to Chrome and here search for Gcam APK download. So on the very first website, just tap here and then go to download now. So guys, after that, scroll down and then click to Google Camera Port 9.4. After that again scroll and we have the download links here. I am using Samsung, so just click for download for Samsung and then scroll. So as you see on the very last, we have option of Shamim 8.8.22.4. So just download this link. I have already downloaded this link, but all you guys have to do just click to download and then it will be start downloading. So after downloading, just go to downloads. As you see, this is where it downloads. Just tap here and it is now start installing. Now just click to install and then click to open. Allow all the permissions and that is it. So as you see, the Google camera is now installed in my Samsung Galaxy A05 device. So guys, that's how we can install Google camera in Galaxy A05 device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.